Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 computer or laptop won't wake up from sleep. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click and expand USB settings. Click and expand USB selective suspend settings, change to disabled. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click and expand PCI Express, click and expand Link State Power Management, change to off. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Power. Change all settings to Never. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand System Devices, open Intel Management Engine, click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.